So, hello everyone, and let's make a Monday update here on the crypto market. I hope my voice is not too bad, but it's been some bloody colds going on here in the winter time. So, without further ado, let's have a look here. I mean, the price has been stable on the 4-hour chart. And as usual, there's this waiting game to see where this is finally gonna head and what is needed for the price to move. I guess it's when they decide to move it, and if that's from lower levels or if it's here, that we will find out one beautiful day. Uh, here's a guy who uses Elliott waves, which I also like, and of course there's all kinds of interpretations. So you have to find your own style kind of in this area, as with anything, any indicator. But he seems to think that we are, in the very, very big picture, here's at least an A, there's a B here, and then there's going to be another C wave up here, and that we are currently kind of in a bigger A, B, C as well within this pattern. And that we might be close to some kind of a stabilization maybe. And he's saying here that the move down, he's looking for support with three-wave ABC move 1800 to 3000 area around old swing lows, marked on the chart. Okay, so I guess that's what he's talking about down here in this area. Ideally, market will see some recovery in 2019, at least in three waves, possible back to the 6 to 8000 area. So he's just saying, like it's going to come back to here or something like that. But eventually, he sees it within a bigger wave, up all the way up here, and we shall see if that's the case or not. And other news, what do we have? Wow, I really need a coffee. The Monero market update, the business as usual after hard fork. The Monero team implemented a scheduled hard fork to prevent ASIC miners from mining the coin. So the form took place at clock, what is it? So 1,788,000. And also the update contained many improvements supposed to enhance the privacy feature and the overall network security. So apparently they decided to do a hard fork here to prevent this ASIC miners from mining the coin, which seems a little bit weird. I haven't followed the exact story there, why that is. But I mean, you don't want to have coins that have too much of this crap going on. I mean, it can be, of course, from time to time the community decides to do something, to do an update, or to hard fork. But if a coin has already thought about this, maybe it's it would be even better for that coin, like PIVX or something like this. I mean, it's to me it's still one of the best privacy coins, if that's what you look for. There's of course other areas within this technology, but Monero was certainly one of the first ones as well. I mean, I can remember when it was trading at like what was it, $2 or something, about 2 years ago. But okay, now that's it with that. That was some little piece of news. Digital currencies to be exempt from securities law in Colorado, as their governor Jared Polis, I mean, is that even true? Police, is that his last name? Has signed a new bill. Bill was first introduced in January. It could very well be. I mean, this Colorado. I mean, and some of these areas, Wyoming and so on, they are pretty open to this kind of stuff. The new law known as the Digital Token Act will make the application of blockchain technology and growth of related companies in the crypto industry a lot easier. This is down the fact that digital assets are not subject laws that would otherwise encumber from with stricter regulation. Well, who has written this tag? This is down the fact that digital assets are not subject laws. Okay. So we'll see if that's true or not. Uh, I don't see the source here, but at least it seems Colorado might be doing something in that direction. And yeah, I think that's about it. Well, there's another news here as well on Starbucks. They're saying here in this article on CCN. I don't even know if he actually said this. Billionaire Tim Draper here. Starbucks will laugh if you still use cash in 3 years. Bitcoin bull Draper. I don't know if they will laugh or not, but certainly, I mean, it's possible that more and more of these outlets that they will accept different cryptos in the near term. And he's saying has predicted that by 2022, coffee lovers will be routinely buying their fix at Starbucks using Bitcoin and other crypto assets. How that could be, especially if Pivx comes out with their payment thing, which I think they already have, and also maybe a bigger, if you trust, if they can manage to launch their platform with all kinds of cryptos and fiat currencies. I mean, there you have that's the complete solution there. But I don't know exactly where they are in the process. But that would be the shit, as they say. Draper, Bitcoin will dominate Starbucks transactions. Is on the verge of making the US dollar redundant, he says. I think when you go to Starbucks to buy a cup of coffee and you try to pay with dollars, they will laugh at you because you are not using Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency. It will be like the old lady paying out with pennies. Oh yeah, okay. Well, we'll see. And he says here by 2022, Bitcoin will hit 250,000. Of course, that's in his interest probably if that would happen. And but it just shows the fact that you know, if this continues and if people take this on more and more, this digital currency, then they can be kind of what shall we say, a parallel economy to the normal cash maybe, unless they decide to go kind of all in with one crypto. Or two or three or a bunch of them, and then just use that instead. But it will take some time. I do assume before we will find out. But it would be cool if you could pay with a little bit all kinds of cryptos and normal money. Well, if fiat money is normal for you, and that will be a fun thing. Okay, that's it for this Monday update, and take care, guys.